Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Samsung phone is ready. Check model and Android version, and close any apps using the microphone. Next, open the built-in camera app. This is essential because third-party apps won't change the camera shutter sound. Once the camera app is open, switch to photo mode if needed, and tap the settings gear. You need to reach the camera settings menu to proceed. This first step gets you into the right place quickly so you can change the sound behavior. You now look for the shutter sound control inside camera settings. Tap the gear icon, then scan the options for shutter sound, camera sounds, or simply sounds and flip it off. If you don't see it immediately, open General or Advanced settings. Manufacturers sometimes move the toggle. Turning this off stops the audible shutter when you take photos. Once done, take a quick test photo to confirm silence because you want to verify the change before leaving the app. Finish by testing both photo and video capture to ensure the shutter and recording sounds are silenced. If you still hear noise, set media and system volumes to low or enable Do Not Disturb. Some models link shutter sound to system volume. Keep in mind that some region-locked phones legally prevent disabling the shutter sound, so check your model specifics. If that's the case, use headphones or a muted video workflow. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck the camera settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.